Well, depression has affected my life. I've had it since I was a child. In and out of psychologist's office. I had separation anxiety in elementary school, and it just kind of followed me all throughout my life in varying degrees. I had my first major depressive episode when I was about 35 years old. I was hospitalized for 30 days. And that was when I first began taking antidepressants, and I've been on them ever since. So it's 20 plus years I'm on antidepressants. Tried all different ones, you know, they work for a while, then they don't work. Finally we added another one. I've been on 2 different antidepressants now for the past several years. And then I hit a wall. And my doctor and I were deciding whether or not to change the antidepressants. I had no room to grow. I was on the maximum dose of both of them. And this treatment came along at just the perfect time because I really just felt like my options were running out on me. Lo and behold, I came to speak to my doctor about it, and he said that he was going to be doing it within the next several weeks. And I had no idea. So I know this was meant for me. I had already researched it out. I did all my homework. I knew everything about it. I didn't need anyone to explain it to me. I knew what it was. I knew it was for me, and I knew I was going to do it. Little part of my brain just was not working anymore, and it needed more than medication. It needed to be stimulated. It needed to be made to work again. And medication was just putting a Band-Aid on it. And I just realized that I just needed something like this. I didn't even know something like this was available. But I just knew that it needed to be stimulated. It needed to work. It was not working anymore.
Right.
And I came to realize that it just wasn't my fault. There was nothing I could do about it. I tried yoga. I tried meditation. You name it, I did it. So if there was a way that I could have fixed this myself, it would have been fixed. I needed help.
Yeah.
I needed help. It's been a very pleasant experience, and everybody's just been wonderful and caring, and I just know that everybody genuinely wants me to get well. And after, I'd say about a week and a half, I really started feeling different. I felt like I was alive. I felt like the veil was taken off of my eyes. I could see clearly. Colors looked brighter to me. And just every day, it just gets better and better. And even though, life still happens, but I'm so much more able to deal with things as they come along. I don't want to crawl underneath the table anymore. I am dealing with things.
Wow.
And my house is cleaner. I'm cooking, I want to talk to people. I didn't want to talk to anybody. I didn't want to see anybody. I wanted to just be by myself. So I'm reaching out to people. And everything just looks and feels different. I feel alive. I was not alive. I felt like I was just going through the motions. I was a robot. And I truly believe that if it wasn't for the medication, I would have been not even functional at all. But the medication just took me to that that final level where I could function, but I wasn't living.